Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set up a full integration between Outgrow and Salesforce so you can seamlessly send leads from your interactive content directly into your CRM and automate your follow-ups. Let's get started. First, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a valid Salesforce account with API access enabled, along with permissions to read, create, and edit lead data. Now, log into your Outgrow account and open the content piece you want to integrate with Salesforce. Once you're inside the builder, navigate to the Configure tab and click on Integrations. Under Native Integrations, you'll find Salesforce. Click on the Configure button. Firstly, you will need to authenticate with Salesforce. After logging in, click on Proceed to Map Fields. Here, you'll see two options: Proceed with Object or Proceed with Segment. If you want a straightforward setup, choose Proceed with Object. Here you can select the standard lead object as contacts or even a custom object you've created in Salesforce. Once you've selected your object, the next step is field mapping by clicking on Select and Continue. This is where you connect Outgrow form fields like first name, last name, and email to corresponding fields in Salesforce. Take your time here to ensure everything is mapped correctly, including any custom fields you may have added in Salesforce. After mapping, click on Test Connection. If everything is set up correctly, click Finish to activate the integration. Now your integration is live. To confirm everything is working, you can submit a test lead from your Outgrow content. And then you can view the lead details under the task history being synced successfully. And that's it! You've successfully set up and optimized your Outgrow and Salesforce integration, allowing you to capture, sync, and act on leads effortlessly. Ready to streamline your lead management? Start integrating Outgrow with Salesforce today and turn every interaction into a powerful conversion opportunity